fitness, fit to sit on my throne. Your heart is my humble home. I promise never to leave you neglected or feeling lonely. And though I'm out on the road, I'm just trying to stack up this money that make it easy to focus on building blocks for a union that got a bomb at the office. The shit you see in the movie. Mama told me that I need a good girl on my arm, the type to keep my ass away from harm. It's all good. Try to grab me, they say they got that nana like they foxy, but I pay them no mind cause I'm cocky, and plus I got a girl at home. She needs me just to be the man she wanna see. She say I got a feeling like I'm Jodeci. She could've get a hold of me. I'm all the way in Italy, roaming, trying to build it bigger than the Romans. Opportunities I'm holding, no longer trying to live it for the moment. It's time to take my life and make it golden. You're the one that I'm beholding, the perfect girl I need to keep me focused. It takes a lot of grind to win a championship. Sit down to do the double with me, you worthy of the whole of me. Take your life and mind, combine and flip it into artistry. Let's go.